What's good, guys? Yeah, trade recap. I realized that that I can actually do this by holding Alt. I can get rid of all of that shit in the background. So look at me transform into a little head. Alright, cool beans. So, nah, it doesn't look natural like that though. It looks like I'm gaming. Anyway, let's get into. Oh look, well, this is interesting. So yeah, basically, today was not my day once again. I'm gonna just show you real quick on my notes. I almost caught, or I got stopped out of this. Blah blah blah. I feel like I'm getting stuck in this quarterly theory, like kind of thing. You know what I'm saying? And it's just like it's kind of messing with me a little bit. So I need to, yeah. But I mean, the trade I took wasn't even a bad trade, like based on the quarterly theory and all of that shit. But yeah. I'll put up the positions as I'm talking because I saved them. Anyway, daily. I was talking about yesterday how we had this IFEG and then the also the BC, no, the CB, no wait, sorry, I marked out the wrong thing. I meant to mark this IFEG, and then we have this on the daily. Yeah, price came into it yesterday. Came off it nicely, respected it nicely. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So now we go to the 4 hour. What did I note from the 4 hour? Nothing. I don't think I used the 4 hour today. Yeah. The 1 hour. I wasn't even looking at the 1 hour today. I'm gonna be honest. I don't think I was looking at the 1 hour today. Maybe I looked at this. I think I was looking at this inverse. But yeah, I wasn't really looking at the 1 hour today. But what I was looking at was the true week open, which is Monday at 6 o'clock. The opening price. Wait, hang on. So 6 o'clock. Bosh. True week open right there. So my thought process going into today is I wanted to see price come below this true open and I was going to catch a reversal. I think I entered the trade too early. I think that was my issue. I should have waited just for a little bit. But yeah, so I'm going to talk about like market open and stuff. So 8:30 we've just been dumping. I'm waiting for price to come below this true open to then buy and go higher. My bias going into today was bullish, which is funny because I always sit on a Discord call of like some YouTuber I watch. I don't let him affect anything I do with my trading, but it's just good to hear like another like voice, you know, not another voice, like another perspective. So yeah, but he was bearish, and I was like, okay, interesting, because I saw the true week open, and with the true week open, you want to be buying below. Oh my gosh, you want to be buying below it. But to be fair, yeah, because we've already come above it. So then I was kind of using this as like a support kind of, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so that, oh my gosh, what, my voice crack. So 8:30, we've just been dumping, and yeah, not really much else to say about that. 9:30, I'll mark out 9:30. We didn't have no news today, so yeah, I think I don't know. Price has just been a little bit. It's not really been too quick, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, market open, we accumulated, then we came down, basic accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution. So yeah, I'm seeing this. When I'm using a quarterly theory, you use the 1 minute with the 15-minute time frame. So I was looking for PD arrays on the 15-minute time frame. Had this inversion backed by this fair value. Wait, hang on. I've just realized I can make my screen better for you guys by doing this. Oh, look at that, guys. Yeah, so we had this 15-minute inversion and backed by this 15-minute busy. And then I used my fib, and it was literally, the true week open was basically aligned with the 79 range. So I'm like, yes, this is very good. This is very, very good. So I was definitely bullish today. And yeah, you know, sometimes it doesn't go your way. I don't like this being full screen. Yeah, sometimes life just don't go your way. Trading don't go your way. I'll show you the first. Is it this one? Yeah, so I was aiming for, oh yeah, also on the S&P, oh yeah, like you can see we have equal highs on the S&P. So I'm like, so equal highs is basically where price wants, there's like liquidity there, so price wants to come and take it out. Yeah, and we also, and on NASDAQ, these were relative equal highs. They were like 1 or 2 points difference, so really not a lot in it. Yeah, so I was looking for price to come and target that. I was also targeting Asia session, which it looks like it's gonna hit like as we as a thing. So I'll just slap a little alert on that. Yeah, so got stopped out. Pretty annoying, but I think when I'm going forward catching these reversals, what I'm gonna do is look for more confluences, because I could have gone like, let me delete this quick. So I could have seen this. Was there a SMT at that time? No, there wasn't an SMT there. Well, there was a high time frame SMT. Just go off this low right here. SMT right here on the 15-minute. I don't know if this was on the hour. No, just a 15-minute. 15-minute SMT, and look, like big SMT as well. The ES didn't look like it wanted to go lower. Yeah, SMT there. But what I could have done was I could have just used something simple. So we have the is this breakup structure or market structure? Anyways, just use that as a CISD. Could have gone off the CISD. This is also market structure shift. Market structure shift. So yeah, we could have done that. Seen this this candle here. Maybe done like a little like retracement. It didn't actually come to the 50% range, but could have used like this IFEG, and yeah, that could have used like this IFEG, which tapped into it nicely, and then we could have just literally entered like that. Oh yeah, the reason why my thing has changed to red is because I was just kind of going through like the thing as well, or like put maybe stops like here. I don't really like to have too big of a stop loss. That's quite a big stop loss. Probably have a stop loss at, there was probably some sort of SMT here. Maybe just put it at the can. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I could have entered like that. Yeah, so then I wanted to, obviously I was annoyed. I was like, damn, I've been stopped out and I know price is going to go higher. Let me try get in the trade as it's going higher. So you will see I'm a donut, because I know why I got stopped out of this trade. If you look over here, we have this BISI that has been respected nicely like previously. As you can see, these 3 wicks right here, they've been they've respected the BISI nicely. So I should have seen that because I just entered on a continuation. I wasn't, and then this was a little SMT here. So I just entered there with my stop there. Yeah, I was targeting, oh look, there goes NQ taking out the Asia highs. I was just targeting this high. I didn't want to risk anything. So yeah, I was just targeting that liquidity. Yeah, and then got stopped out. I was dumb for not seeing this. I'm maybe expecting, because there wasn't news, so it's not like price is just gonna move like quickly through it. And then look, we come back down. Literally, as I got stopped out, we get that nice up candle to the upside, and then yeah, we just get a nice set of up candles to the upside realistically. And then yeah, we've accumulated for about an hour, but then now price has finally gone and taken thing. And then this was another possible entry that I could have used. I could have used this CB that stopped me out I could have used it as an inversion. Price came above right here, little retrace, and then yeah, target in the same spot, 1 to 7, stop at the bottom of the fair value gap. Yeah, life happens. Gotta get better. You know what I'm saying? I'm loving quarterly theory. I'm gonna come up with some sort of a strategy. Because realistically, trading is simple. Trading is really simple. You just need to find your edge. Trading is very, very simple, guys. Yeah, that being said, I think that might be it for today. Oh, I can't even put it back full screen. Well, that's annoying. But yeah, you know, I'm just gonna. What do I have to do today? I'm gonna read. Trading plan for quarterly theory is written down as well. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. And you know, thank you God for letting me live another day. You know, providing educational content. I don't even care if this don't get views. Like, I just do this for, like, it kind of helps me personally, and you never know, it might help one of you guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys later or tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Peace.